In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Airwallex account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to click on this login button here in the top right. And whenever you do this, it's going to take you over here to this page where you basically have to click on where it says new to Airwallex, sign up. So just click on this button over here, and then you can start by creating your account. So first, you'll have to type in your business email. I'm just going to use the one I use, of course, myself, like this. Make sure you put in the correct one and then click on get started. Now over here you can of course consent or not. I'm gonna skip this for now and click on get started. And the second thing is gonna be asking of course how big your company is. So of course just select the one that's relevant to you. Then it's going to ask you how much transaction volume do you expect to receive and send through Airwallex every month. I'm gonna do less than 10K, but if you expect more, of course select that option. Then it's going to basically ask you what is your primary area of interest in Airwallex. So of course you have like a bunch of different ones. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click on, for example, convert funds and make international or domestic transfers, okay? Then over here, it's going to say, thanks for helping us understand your goals better. And then over here, you can select any other solutions that interest you, which is optional. You can, of course, select these. I'm just going to click on continue over here. And there we go. You have to put in your first legal name and last legal name, and then you can create a password, okay? So I'm going to just type in my name over here, of course, of this channel, but for you, you have to type in your correct name. So your legal name, okay? So I'm going to actually create the password as well over here. It's going to be this. Of course, you can type in your own password. Make sure you remember this and click on next. Then here you have to type in your business name. So I'm going to do instant how to like this. And then you have to select your headquarter. So I'm just going to go and select UK over here. And then you have to put in your mobile number as well. And then you have to agree and then click on create account, okay? So let me actually put in my mobile number right now. Okay, so then you're gonna have to verify your phone number. You'll receive an SMS to your mobile number, and you essentially just have to type it in over here. So it's usually gonna be just like a number. Let me actually receive it. There we go. So for me, it's going to be this specific number. I'm going to paste in right here. There we go. And I'm gonna click on verify phone number. Now, whenever you've done this, you'll be taken to your next step over here. And there we go. It's essentially going to say account ready. You can get started. You can click on activate my account or click on explore my dashboard. Okay. So of course you're going to have to put in your business details to actually start using Airwallex. I'm going to go and click on explore my dashboard right now, but of course you can do it this right away. So I'm going to click on explore. There we go. And this is going to take you directly inside your dashboard. Okay. So from here you can go and explore your account, your dashboard and everything else. And if at any point you want to activate your account fully, you can simply go to any of these buttons down here. I'm gonna go to wallet over here on the left, and you can go and click on activate account from here, and there we go. It's gonna start gathering your details, and then okay, over here as you can see, you can start your verification, and this is going to take a few steps where you're gonna have to basically verify your identity, and that's really all you have to do to then activate your account fully as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.